How to turn off keyboard sound. If you're facing when you type, then your keyboard will be doing the sound. Then how you can easily turn off your keyboard sound. Let's start. In this video, very easy step we will tell you. First you have to just go to the mobile settings, click on the mobile settings and tell me in the comment box which mobile are you using right now. And now open the mobile settings and just find here, scroll up, and now you can find here sound and vibration. Click on the sound and vibration. Now you can see system sound. You have to just find here system sound options. Click on the system sound. Now you can see, after find the system sound, now you can look here Samsung keyboard. Click on the Samsung keyboard here. Now you can see just turn off this. If you have like any Android device, then you have to just keyboard sound look. Okay, you have like Samsung device, then you can look Samsung keyboard. Okay, click on the Samsung keyboard and turn off this. I hope this video is helpful to you. Make sure guys likes and subscribe for GGN1 Guide YouTube channel. Thanks for watching video.